Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2012 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie Limited in this black color. This four-wheel drive, four-door, five-passenger pickup truck comes equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 engine mounted to an automatic transmission. Starting up front with some of the notable exterior features, you got that nice bold grille up front with the blacked out Ram badge. As we head towards the side, you'll find the massive headlamps, and just below here you've got the fog lamps for some additional style and utility. As you come around towards the side of the vehicle, you'll find the 6-spoke 20-inch alloy rims the vehicle currently rides on, and those are wrapped in these Speed King tires with tons and tons of tread, as you can see. As we continue down the truck, you'll find the chrome mirror caps as well as the chrome door handles, and you've also got the turn signal indicator integrated right into the bottom of the mirror. In back here, you've got tinted windows for some additional privacy for the rear passengers or rear cargo, and that tint continues in the back as well. As we head towards the back of the truck, you'll notice the hard tri-fold tonneau cover that this truck currently has on it. You can check out the brand there. And in back here, of course, you'll find the Limited badging, the Ram, and the 4x4 badging. Underneath here, you've got the dual exhaust to round out that sporty profile, and you've also got a hitch, so this truck does come ready to tow. And as you can see, of course, you've got the spare tire underneath in case you ever get a flat. If you go ahead and open up the box here, you've got that nice soft open tailgate and lots of room inside for your storage. And if you're looking for a truck that can do it all, but at a discounted price, you've found it in this 2012 Ram. So let's go ahead and hop inside and get started with the interior features. Hopping inside this rugged pickup truck is nice and easy thanks to the remote keyless entry. Simply hit the unlock button on the key fob and you'll be inside. You'll also notice you've got the short range remote start there, so you can easily fire up this truck in the winter and warm it up before you even hop inside. When we open up the door, you'll notice one of the very best features of this truck. You've got the power folding side steps, making it nice and easy to get in and out of this truck. When you open up the door, they'll fold out, and of course you won't get them caught on anything because when you close the door, they'll fold right back underneath. Inside here, of course, you've got the premium black leather seating with the perforation in the center of the seat for the heating and cooling functions. Just below the driver's seat here, you'll find the power adjustable seat controls, including your power adjustable lumbar support. And you've also got the memory settings for your driver's seat, so you can easily switch between seat settings when you're switching drivers. If we go ahead and take a look towards the door sill here, you'll find the nice Ram nameplate for that nice premium finish. So let's go ahead and hop inside, fire up this truck, and get started with all the bells and whistles. There are a host of great features in this Ram, starting over here on the driver's side door panel with the controls for the power windows, locks, and mirrors, and both of your front windows are automatic. Just to the right here, you'll find the controls for your headlights, and as you can see, this vehicle does come equipped with automatic headlights, as well as a bed light and the dimmer switch for your gauge cluster. Just underneath here, you'll find the trailer brake module, and if we take a look over at the steering column here, you'll find your power adjustable pedal switch, as well as the manual tilt and telescoping steering wheel. If you take a look at the wheel here, you've got the steering wheel mounted audio controls over on the left-hand side here, which includes your voice recognition and Bluetooth hands-free calling buttons. You've also got the volume rocker just behind the wheel here, and over on the right-hand side you'll find the cruise control buttons, which is great for those highway drives. If we go ahead and take a look up in the gauge cluster, you can see that this truck only has 92,191 kilometers on it. If you take a look towards the center of the dash here, you'll find your embedded touchscreen infotainment system that includes navigation. In terms of your audio options here, you've got your AM/FM radio as well as a CD player and auxiliary input, so you can be sure that you can listen to your own audio regardless of the type of device that you have. You've also got lots of different setup options in the menu here, as well as your Bluetooth hands-free calling and voice recognition button. And of course, you can also put this vehicle into reverse and pull up the backup camera, which is a fantastic feature. And you'll also notice the mirrors tilt down, making it nice and easy to reverse. You've also got, of course, your tow and haul mode as well as your drive mode selectors, so you can switch between two-wheel and four-wheel high, four-wheel low. You'll also find the dual zone climate controls, and just below that you've got the two-stage heated and ventilated seats as well as a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable regardless of the temperature. You've also got your shifter here, and as you can see, you can put it into a manual mode if you're looking to manually shift through the gears. And of course, you've got your 12-volt outlet and lots of room inside the center console here, 2 compartments. Over on the passenger side, you've got the standard glove box underneath here, as well as the additional glove box up top. And if you take a look up top, you'll find an auto-dimming rear mirror, as well as 3 programmable garage door buttons, the switch for your power sliding rear window, and the buttons for your sunroof. And that concludes the features up front, so let's go ahead and hop in back and take a look at some of the features in the rear of this vehicle. In the rear of this truck, you'll find more of that premium leather seating that extends across the rear bench seat. Back here you've also got a couple of handy storage pouches in the back of the driver and the passenger side seat with that nice premium buckle. In the back of the center console you'll find a 12-volt outlet to keep the devices charged up, and an added premium feature here is that you have 2-stage heated seats for both side rear passengers. Back here you'll also find a couple of extra cup holders for your rear passengers, and if you look towards the rear center seat here, you've also got the nice fold down padded leather armrest that also includes a couple of extra cup holders for your rear passengers. These rear seats are also configurable in a 60/40 split, and what I mean by that is you can fold the seat up and you've got access to some additional storage underneath here, as you can see. And again, the same is true on the other side, just with a larger storage compartment. If you go ahead and take a look towards the rear door panel here, you'll find the same great design that we found in the front, including more of that gorgeous trim. And of course, you've also got the switch for the rear windows and some storage underneath. That concludes this short video walk around, but as you can see, this truck is absolutely loaded with features from bumper to bumper. There's lots that I didn't get a chance to show you, so make sure you stop by Kelowna Toyota, located at 1200 Leith Head Road, or visit us online at KelownaToyota.com for more information. We look forward to seeing you soon.